Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create some super simple pull string art using Readi-Board. I started off by finding a cute frame at a thrift store. In order to use it, I'm going to have to take out the current art. I'll tear this paper out and pull all the staples out from the frame. I'll measure the backing piece that I pulled out. This will give me the dimensions that I need to cut my foam board into. I'm going to cut multiple pieces of foam board. You're going to need 2 pieces of foam board for each attempt at your pull string. I've got 2 pieces ready, a plate to drop my ink onto, and some string. I'm going to lay out an approximate pattern so I know how long I need to cut my string. Then I'll bunch the string according to where I want my colors. And finally drop the ink on. On this one, I'm making sure my string is very saturated. Drop your string onto your foam board piece. Place the other piece on top. Press down lightly and pull. I'm only using enough pressure to keep my foam board in place. And then open to reveal. I suggest doing multiple passes. Experiment with different saturations and different color combinations. Here you can see where the 2 colors are modeled. This is because my pink is an alcohol-based ink and my black is a water-based ink. I happen to like the look, so I'm going to allow that to dry completely. I've got my frame ready and my glass already cleaned up. Place your art into the frame. My frame happens to be a little thick, so I'm going to add another piece of foam board. You could staple these into place. I personally like to change my art out, so I'm simply going to use masking tape to hold the art into the frame. There you have it. Super simple, super stunning art. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a Ready to Craft of, let us know in the comments.